Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we delve into the innovative tools and techniques that are making construction faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. From advanced machinery and robotics to new materials and methods, we explore how these technologies are transforming the way we build. Learn about the latest advancements in construction technology and see real-world examples of these innovations in action. Whether you're a construction professional, a tech enthusiast, or someone interested in the future of building, this video is for you. Last year, heavy snowfall in Turkey caused the roof of Istanbul Airport's cargo terminal to collapse. This incident highlights how snow consistently challenges airports worldwide. Thankfully, there are specialized snowblowers designed for airports to tackle this problem. The TV1000 model can clear 7,500 tons of snow per hour, while the TV1000 Plus can handle up to 8,500 tons. Both models can throw snow up to 35 meters away. Additionally, the unique cabs offer excellent visibility and driver comfort, with smart designs that minimize shaking and vibration. Keeping roadside grass trimmed is a routine task. But with over 7 million kilometers of roads in the United States alone, it's a massive undertaking. Fortunately, specialized equipment is available to assist road workers. What makes this equipment stand out is its environmental focus. First, it ensures the grass isn't cut shorter than 10 centimeters. Second, any insects in the grass are safely returned to the ground. With a cutting width of 1.2 meters and adjustable mower positioning from the cab, this feature allows for swift and efficient work, even around numerous posts and signs. Next in the lineup is the GrindPro, an incredibly effective machine for removing road markings. Equipped with multiple 50-centimeter diameter heads, it removes markings with minimal surface damage. Additionally, it features a vacuum system to keep dust, debris, and harmful particles off the road. Both of these advanced machines are made by MRL Equipment, the largest supplier of such equipment in North America. The creators describe this machine as a durable workhorse that has consistently delivered reliable performance over the years. Its main function is to cut asphalt continuously or in patterns, and it excels at this task. Featuring a unique drum with a capacity of nearly 5 tons, it achieves a cutting width of about 41 centimeters. Innovations like Epic Solutions' work cycle synchronization and rear-view cameras make it easy to operate by a single person. Additionally, it's built on the Peterbilt Model 337 truck, renowned for its excellent weight-to-power ratio in its class. As a wholesale provider of building materials, Iron specializes in the production and sales of manufactured stone veneers, bricks, and pavings. Operating in the field of artificial stone and bricks since 1997, we have recently launched our Urban Floor brand, leveraging our extensive experience in manufactured stone. Our production facility, staffed by a skilled team, boasts a capacity of 70,000 square meters per month. We distribute our high-quality products to over 20 countries, primarily in Europe and the Middle East. Our products are crafted from a special mix of cement, humus, and sand. We meticulously select natural stones with exceptional textures and shapes to create our molds using a unique technique that captures the finest details. This process ensures that our manufactured stones have the authentic look and feel of real stone surfaces. Looking for a decking solution that's easy to install, looks fantastic, and keeps things simple and safe? Lanier's switchboard decking has you covered. This decking offers a stylish and practical way to enhance your outdoor space with its double-sided design. Choose between an embossed wood grain pattern or a classic groove finish to match your aesthetic perfectly. With 5 nature-inspired colors ranging from timeless to modern shades, you'll find the ideal match for your preferences. Made of 1.4-inch thick composite PVC, switchboard decking is impressively strong and durable, resistant to warping, bending, drying out, or rotting. Its unique material ensures no unsightly marks or stains from spills. Plus, you'll never need to paint or sand it. Safety is also a priority, with an anti-slip surface perfect for worry-free enjoyment. Eco-conscious users will appreciate that the coating is lead-free and fully recyclable. Owens Corning offers an innovative 2-part insulation system featuring ProCat insulation material and its specialized spraying machine. ProCat insulation is an excellent fiberglass option designed for use in ventilated attics, walls, and floors between home levels. It works well in both open and closed spaces. This insulation meets all necessary standards for insulation materials, being non-combustible, non-corrosive, moisture-resistant, and mold-preventive. The ProCat spray machine enhances the insulation process by breaking up and fluffing the material, creating numerous air pockets that boost its insulating power. One bag of insulation can cover up to 80 square feet in just 4 minutes. The machine's hose allows for precise application, ensuring the insulation is sprayed exactly where needed without waste or mess. The system is fully enclosed, so the insulation only goes where directed. The machine also features a remote control with a hose attachment for easy material spray control. Additional benefits include generator compatibility, a cleanable filter, off-road wheels, and sufficient ground clearance, making the machine easy to move. Introducing Geomembranes, an incredibly versatile and effective construction material. These sheets are primarily used to control the migration of liquids or gases in man-made structures or systems due to their exceptional impermeability. Made from thin, continuous polymeric sheets or by impregnating geotextiles with asphalt, elastomers, or polymer spray, Geomembranes offer several advantages. They are strong, chemical-resistant, and flexible enough to adapt to uneven surfaces. Their impermeability provides long-term protection, making Geomembranes a cost-effective and reliable solution for various engineering and environmental applications. For instance, they are widely used as liners for solid waste landfills to prevent soil and groundwater contamination. In the mining industry, they help prevent the release of toxic substances into the environment. Additionally, Geomembranes are used in irrigation canals, reservoirs, and dams to conserve water and control seepage.